Match details. Weather.
Cloudy. Pitch condition.
We think a good batting surface is likely to be served up for this match, just as it was in the previous one. There is some rain forecast for earlier in the day, but that will hopefully not affect the match at all. The bowlers have to work hard at the Belrive Oval, but there is always a bit of extra bounce in the surface that the fast bowlers can use to their advantage. Probable 11. Head-to-head. Odds.
Win percentage. Dream Team 11.
Batsman. David Malin, VC, Colin Ingram, Andre Fletcher. Wicket-keeper. Ben McDermott, Nicole Poran. All-rounder. DRC Short, Glenn Maxwell, C. Bowler. Nathan Ellis, Billy Stanlake, Scott Boland, Liam Hatcher. Prediction tips. Hobart Hurricanes have won 5 out of their 7 matches, including the previous one against the Melbourne Stars at the same venue. Melbourne Stars are too dependent on Glenn Maxwell at the moment and could crumble if he has an off game. Hobart Hurricanes have a better bowling attack than the Melbourne Stars. Pick your team. Hobart Hurricanes will win this match. Download our app, Cricket Forecast, from Play Store for prediction of cricket matches.